If you journal your day, your journey will be easy. If you journal your day, your journey will be easy. And why is that? Because you're going to have a path, you're going to have a mindset, you're going to have a story. So journaling is documenting your day in writing. It is bringing your thought, capturing your thought and making them real, either on a digital product or on a physical paper. Journaling brings out the golden nuggets in your day. Do you want the golden nuggets in your day to become manifest? Then by all means, journal. Journaling is the habit of champions. Pretty much every champion you know out there journaled. The reason